Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Top War application. Open up your Top War app to get started and also make sure that you're in the main homepage. Once you're inside the main game, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Once you open up your profile, tap on the settings button at the bottom left hand corner. In the settings menu, tap on language. Now, you can choose from the list of available languages displayed on the screen. Select a language of your choice and tap on OK. Wait for a few minutes and it'll then restart your Top War game, and this time you'll be able to see the language change for your display. So that was how you can easily change your language settings on Top War application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.